Good morning. In this video, we will proceed with the loading of the add-ins Excel Analysis ToolPak for Office 365 and Excel 2016 for Mac devices. Why should we load Excel Analysis ToolPak? The answer is the chance of speeding up the use of complex statistic analysis tools such as descriptive statistics, exponential smoothing, Fourier analysis, random number generation, regression, t-test, z-test. The outcomes will be displayed in an output table and will be object of the next videos. Let's proceed now with the loading of the add-ins Analysis ToolPak. First of all, click on the Tool menu. Select Analysis ToolPak from the list add-ins available and click on OK. Finally, restart Excel. Now it will be possible to select Data Analysis from the menu Data and proceed with the activities. If you liked the video, please click on like and subscribe the channel.